So we're gonna do a race today. Seeing this is out of commission right now, I could fix it. That's our basher. This is our racer. And then this thing, I put the 22P pinion in there, and we went over the track, tacked it all down. We got to get some more duct tape. Let's go tour the, planted some veggies yesterday, but tack this top down nice so it's not going to move no more. Tack down below. Double should work good. I got to get new tape, but move the jump a little. It's some bumpy section in there, but it's more of a drop off, so you can come faster down through there or cut across. My daughter and I were gonna get the 112s out on 2S. We're gonna do a little mock race. But so my thought with this track tour / mini race, I'm gonna get the weed whacker out first. But we gotta hop up on this side, and then the straight shot for the long fast run. But for the little guys, you can zoom back around, or when I'm doing videos, hop up like you've seen a lot of the videos. And then we got a section over here so you can decide which way you want to go, fast lane or inside lane. Inside lane has a little hop up. You see where we moved. I got to get the weed whacker out. That's next. But I'm going to get a couple more pieces probably Wednesday or Thursday and start having to decide if I want to do the fast lane or the inside lane next. Either way, everything's looking real good. It's matted down. Should be good. All right, so this is going to be a race between my custom LC and EAT 124008, best of 5 between me and Lauren. Both are 2S. Yeah. Let me make sure I got my throttles all set. Okay. Ready? Your mark. Get set. Go! We don't have marshals. Whoa. I got the lead. You zipped so much faster. Oops. I went off the track. That's only 2. You mean how many laps? You're almost gonna lap me though. That's only because you didn't stop. Whoa, that was awesome. You got stuck stopping. Lauren, turn your speed down or something. You're so much faster. You fly so far. Dang it, that thing flies. Oh, that thing's so awesome. I'll get you. That was cheap. That was cheap. My plan is to put boards of logs here. I got a weed whack still too. Dang it! I had a casualty. Oh, it's just a quick one. Yeah, I know, but it's fun. That means you're having fun if you lose track of the laps. Man, my shocks are so bouncy. That's the one thing I really need to work on in my shocks. Whoa. All right. Mark, get set, go. Oh, take it, take it, take it. Ha ha. Yeah, you win. It's going to be so nice, I know. We're getting there, honey. Because the carpet section, and then you get on the other section and it goes all over. You see that little hop up? Yeah. Oh, that was awesome, Lauren. I think I got that on footage too. That was awesome. Whoa. Did you get caught up over here? Yeah, this is our one bad spot right here. I thought I tacked it down good, but obvious I did not. Okay, babe. Yeah, 20 pin 22 pinion is a little bit. I think 18 is better for our track. You set her up there, honey. Beautiful. That was fun. Maybe do another rip after dinner. Maybe.